Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving headfirst into a topic that gets everyone's heart racing: financial freedom. Let's face it, being stuck in the 9-to-5 grind can feel like being on a hamster wheel. But what if I told you there were ways to make money, even while you sleep? That's right, we're talking about passive income. So grab your favorite snack, because who doesn't love snacking while getting rich? And let's unlock some financial freedom together. Passive income idea number 1, become a content creator. Love making people laugh with hilarious skits? Maybe you're a whiz at DIY projects? Share your passion on platforms like YouTube, Rumble, or X. Building a loyal audience can lead to ad revenue, sponsorships, or even selling your own merch. Passive income idea number 2, rent out your stuff. Have a spare room, a fancy camera you barely use, or even a cool car sitting idle. Put them to work. Listing them on rental platforms can bring in some sweet, sweet cash. Passive income idea number 3, invest in dividend stocks. This one takes a little more research, but owning stocks in companies that pay regular dividends can be a steady source of passive income. Just remember, always do your homework before investing. Disclaimer, investing involves risk. Do your research. Bonus passive income idea, sell online courses or ebooks. Are you an expert at something? Share your knowledge and create an online course or ebook. Platforms like Squarespace or Teachable make it easy to sell your content to eager learners worldwide. I want to thank you all for subscribing. And if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and click that like button. These are just a few ideas to get you started. The key is to be creative, find your niche, and build a system that works for you. Like this video if you're ready to say goodbye to the 9-to-5 grind, and subscribe to the channel for more financial freedom tips and tricks. Remember, financial freedom is within reach. Now get out there and unlock your earning potential.